So here's a nice little treat, something a bit different.
With a non-rusting aluminium alloy body, four-wheel drive, 8 forward gears through a double reduction gearbox, and a unique combination of gear ratios and final drive that puts maximum torque through the wheels for positive grip and traction when the going is tough. This is Land Rover.
We have 3 Series 3 Land Rover seat bases to restore. Let's go. I always enjoy doing things that are a little different. So we've got 3 pretty sad seats here. So I've got to rebuild the base, probably refoam it by the looks of it, and put a new cover on. First step, remove the covers and see what we got. Let's go. Might go the good one first. See if we can get into... Oh, here we go. Open all that. That is pretty nasty. Ugh. This is going to be a messy day. So that's one set sorted. Let's have a look at the other ones. What have we got here? Trying to make sense of this rusted dark mess. Okay, nearly done. Yeah. Just touching these is gross. Oh, snapped. Let's go. Just want to say, having a vacuum cleaner that's powerful, I'll show you my workshop hack with the type of vacuum cleaner I've got, and then attaching a cheap remote switch to it is just amazing. It makes the workshop life so much easier, keeping it clean, that is. Mint, and have a look. That's what beautiful, atrocious nastiness we have in here. Somebody's glued a thing to the top. More cleaning. Oh my god. Looks like an ancient fossilized turd. Definitely wash my hands before I eat lunch. Right, number 2. Let's have a look at number 3. The client has asked me to not do a full restoration, so that means utilise as much of the original anything I can, but it's all ruined, all the foam's screwed. Nah, it's fucked. I've got to rebuild these from scratch. Okay, that came off pretty easy. Gives me a general shape. So we've got the curve at the back. It's got this sickly sweet taste. Right, that and that. Give them a good clean. They're bloody messy. This one is all over the show as well. So this is partly the original foam and the original bases, just not the original fabric. Right. Oh my god, these are dirty. Absolutely disgusting. What are we doing? Breaking out the vacuum again. Gonna need to get the bigger head. Attack! because they are disgusting. Right, the next step is to make bases. I'll use some, to save money for the client, I'll use some off-cut ply that I've got here, 12mm ply. I'm going to have to remake this shape at the back, so I'll cut 2 pieces, glue them together, maybe staple or brad nail them to make sure they have some support. Anyway, I can't do anything because, I can't use that cutting station because I've pulled it apart. Haven't I? Look at it. It's apart. I will have to do this via my handsies and hand tools. First of all, I need some sawhorses, something to cut on. Plywood, something to cut. I need the skill saw, straight edge and clamps. I also need measuring tapes and rulers, pencils, and drill bits or force bits, the air gun, brad nailer, and brads. And I think that's it. With all that, we can make some bases. Let's go. I'm going to lay out what I've got here on a piece of plywood and start taking some measurements. Looking at 455, 380 by 455. Okay, let's see what we got here. Is this, first of all, is this perpendicular 445? Stop it. 455. Right, I have everything I need. This is to get the 15-degree bevel, and we need a nice strip to tack in, and that looks like it's 60 millimeters long. Right, here we go. Right, I've got to finish the centre holes off by hand. The little drill press wasn't deep enough to get in there. Magnet. Woo. Right. What do we need? We're going to glue this back to that on an angle. I have supports. Genius little supports cut to the right angle. Ooh, it's hot. The glue is drying up in the brad. Put some glue down this gap here. Boop. Now let's nail this home. Done that one as well. Let's pop these locating strips in. Three. Right, 2 bases done. That is 95, okay. Right, everybody, shell dry. These are successfully glued up. Now I need to refine them a little bit, take the sharp edges off, knock down the top of these brads, and I'll probably give them a black stain on the bottom. We're away. We have got some wiping stained black, very thick stuff. This is professional stuff, it's not off your shelf. Need some gloves? Absolutely, it's going to be disgustingly messy. Watch is coming off. Foam's pretty tragic. I'm yet to decide if we'll use it. I mean, the general shape's right there. Might just need to skim off the top and another skin. See what we can do with those. Seeing which one of these is the best is kind of a mute point really. They're both tragic. I'll just do it myself. I'll take my own measurements. I'll do the foam first, and then I'll measure and cut and design my own pattern pieces to fit. Yeah, they're pretty basic. Let's get to measuring. This is a canvas, an outdoor canvas in black, hard wearing, because this Land Rover is obviously a daily used vehicle and it gets used and abused. Right, measurements are, we're going to run that way, so let's just get another straight edge. Got to have something straight to work off. It's nice to have a 90 when you're patterning your own pieces. So we're going to do a mirror image of these pattern pieces. That 130 since I've added another centimetre corner, mark to corner and mark to corner. That's our taper. Now bearing in mind this is only 2, so that's for one squab. I need to do another 2 again. I'll cut those corners with a scissor. With a scissor. Corner to corner, yes we are, corner to corner. Okay. What I might actually do is just knock these off. just knocked the sharp corners off, just so they don't cut through the fabric. I'll pull it over because it will be tight. There we go. There we go. That's there. Pinch the back. Din, how are you, mate? How are you guys going?
I'm all right.
So, that's it. This project is nearly completed. With this one done, I can just quickly finish off the covers on the other two, have all three complete, and then hand them over to the client. He can then just quickly pop and install them into his Land Rover, and then get to using them, as they should be. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it. This has been a bit of fun. Something simple, something different. See you in the next video.